Are you looking for zero tension, low manipulation styles that will leave your edges healthy and still look beautiful? These 5 natural styles will protect your roots, reduce stress on your hair follicles, and give your edges the breathing room they need to recover. I'll be sharing with you the easy, fast hairstyles that I do on my locks, and my locks are uneven. So there are those specific styles that I love to do so that I can cover my uneven locks. Stick around for that. Style number 1 is flat twists. This one can be applied on both locked hair and loose natural hair. It is a great low tension alternative to tight cornrows. The only thing you have to make sure you do is put a light hand when sectioning your hair on your edges and when twisting on your edges, so that you don't pull your hair on the edges that we are taking care of. The second style is loose twist outs or braid outs. This style is ideal for both locked and loose natural hair, and it requires zero extension. So it minimizes the stress we put on our hair shafts and our roots, allowing you to moisturize your hair anytime, do deep treatments on your hair while giving the delicate hair follicles on your edges and your temple area the oxygen they need to heal and grow and produce healthy hair. The third one is loose two-strand twists. Now, take note of the word I'm using here. Like in every style I am, mentioning, I have to talk about loose because that is what we are focusing on. Loose two-strand twists is a very good style for loose natural hair. They are versatile, protective hairstyles that keep your hair tucked in without tampering with your edges and your hairline. You can also leave your edges completely free from twisting and braiding to allow them to rest and retain the moisture. Now, if your hair is locked like mine, please focus on doing low manipulation, low tension styles that will allow your hair weight to be evenly distributed all around your scalp. That will not let one part be strained by the heaviness of your lock. So that style must distribute the weight of your hair all over the scalp so that we don't lose hair due to tension. The fourth style is loose half up and loose half down style. Okay, now this one, you only divide your locks, okay, with the first half, and then you put a bun here using silk, hair bands, okay, so that you don't cause friction between your hair and the hair band. And the other part of your hair, the nape part, you let it fall, okay, on the back. And with this one, what you have to focus on is letting your front locks very loose. Alternatively, you can let them loose. You can, let them fall on your forehead, because this one will help a lot in reducing tension on your hairline and making sure that the nape part, the nape part is also very sensitive. So when you put pressure on your nape part, you will lose locks. Like for me, I have uneven nape locks, okay, they are very short at the back of my head, and I'll be showing you that. So avoid putting tension on your front part, on your front locks, and on the back of your head. The last style is loose low bun. Now, when we talk of loose low bun, we are talking about gathering all your locks at the back, not here, because mostly when we hold our locks in this position, okay? The tension is felt on our edges and on our nape part. So this style, we are taking all our locks at the back, okay? This part, and I'll be demonstrating that. Now, when all your locks are back here, what you do is you twist the locks, okay? And you try to put something to hold the locks. You can use a hairband or a pin, but I prefer, silk hairbands because they are good, because they cannot, you'll be comfortable with the hairstyle. Now, in every style you do, make sure to loosen your edges. Don't be patient with edges that are painful. Anytime you feel tenderness on your edges, make sure you loosen your hair, because what you're doing is you're spoiling your edges little by little. And the tension does not happen overnight. The sun is back. Thank you, Lord. The tension does not happen overnight. It is something that you do every day, and then the repercussions happens with the time. Okay, now today I washed my locks, okay? And before washing my locks, I had to do this braid and banding. And as you can see, I normally put my hair in this style, braid and banding. And after shampooing, and then I moisturize my hair, I hold my hair in this ponytail. And it is very comfortable. And I can stay with this ponytail for almost a week. So this one is another low tension, zero tension, low manipulation style for us. Now, let me undo my hair and then I'll come back. To understand. Tuone kwanza. Kuja kidogo kitu. Hiyo ndio pamoja nichukue vitu. Kuja kamoja tu. You don't want to be featured in my video? Very shy on camera. So, there is my hair, guys. Oh, I'm so proud of my hair. It is very full right now and healthy and beautiful, as you can see. Now, this is one of the hairstyles that I love doing on my hair, because as you can see, I have very short locks on my crown part. So with this style, as you can see, you can't tell that my locks are short, okay, in the crown part. The other thing, the short ones are not very much exposed unless I want to make them be like that, okay? So I can let them be like that, or I can hide them in like so. That is one style that I normally do very fast anytime I'm going anywhere. Okay, now the other style, I normally divide the short locks on my front part. And for those who are new to this channel, who are new in this channel, you're most welcome. Thank you for visiting. And if you find these videos valuable, please subscribe, share this video with people who are losing hair, who are struggling to regrow their hair. Please they will learn a lot in this channel. Now, my locks are uneven due to hair loss caused by a lot of factors, one of them being health, okay, the other one being poor routines, as I told you, because I never did enough research when I did the installation. So I was doing it wrong all along, and that caused a lot of hair loss. The other cause was anemia, because I had fibroids for many years, almost 7 years, okay, and I was bleeding a lot. So I went through anemia, severe anemia, and that one caused a lot of hair loss. So I always emphasize, if you're a woman and you haven't checked your iron levels, please do so, because iron anemia is very dangerous with hair loss. Okay, yeah, I have gone through it and I know what I'm talking about. Now this is the other style I do. As you can see, the entire of this part is safe for my edges. The other part that is safe is these hairs. Can you see how loose they are? Yeah, there's no tension. I make sure my edges are happy. Okay, now this is the second style that I do very fast and go anywhere. You can play around, you can manipulate this bun, you can bring it in front like that. Okay, you can make it visible like so. Can you see? Right? Can you see? Yeah, the style is beautiful. Now the other style, the other very fast style that I do on my hair is I style my hair back like so. Okay, now after that, oh, the sun is back, thank you. Now after that, let me show you what I do with my back part. Mm, I plait this part of my hair. Okay, how do I do it? I do it this way without putting tension on my neck part, because that part is also very sensitive, as I have learned. Okay, do you see what I'm doing? I am plaiting arm here upward, okay, like that, and like that. Now when I make sure all the hair has been held in one, put on my hair band like so, and play around with the band like that. Okay, now can you see how loose my nape part is? You can tell my nape part is very loose. No tension at all, at all. And as you can see, you can play around with the ends. Okay, you can put them like that. This is how it looks on the other side. Sorry guys, today the sun is very unreliable. It is cloudy, so the sun is coming and going, but we have to do this, right? We are determined to regrow our edges. Okay, now those are the styles that I do mostly on my uneven locks. Now the next video in this series, I'll be answering this question: can my edges grow back, or is it too late? Now that is the next video that will be out in this channel. Make sure to stick around so that you can learn everything as we wind up this playlist and this series. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Share this video or this channel with your friends who you know are struggling with hair loss. They're struggling with regrowing their natural hair, or maybe they have decided to embrace natural hair. Please share this video with them and it will be helpful. Now, for those who have subscribed, I have seen your love. Thank you so much. Please stick around and let us support each other. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. My name is Longugi.